On the Spot Air Conditioning and Heating Plano is a professional AC repair Plano, Texas. We pride ourselves on our high-quality service and our commitment to customer satisfaction. Whether you need a new AC unit installed or your current system repaired, we have the experience and expertise to get the job done right. Contact our Plano, Texas AC Repair today for a free estimate. Are you looking for an AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found On the Spot Air Conditioning and Heating Plano. Why is AC running but not cooling? A blocked or clogged condenser coil may be the cause of your air conditioner running but failing to reduce the temperature inside. In order to remove heat energy from your home, the condenser fan draws air into the outdoor unit through the condenser coil. What are common AC issues? Other frequent issues with current air conditioners are caused by improper installation, subpar service methods, and insufficient maintenance. Poor central air conditioner installation can lead to low airflow and leaky ducts. What is your service area for the Plano, Texas AC Repair Office? Our local AC Repair have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Plano, Allen, Lucas, Wylie, Dallas, Frisco, Murphy, Parker, Garland, Prosper, Rowlett, McKinney, Rockwall, Carrollton, Lewisville, Richardson, The Colony, Highland Park, Fairview, University Park, Texas. Where is your Plano, Texas AC Repair located? We are located at 2761 North Hillbriar, Plano, Texas 75075. Our phone number is 972-645-3631. Visit our website, www.onthespothvac.com/AC-repair-Plano.